Hey guys, Shri here. So as you all know, in my last video I had said that I'm going to post a video on how you can modify your codes and make it better using AI. But after reading this comment, I had reconsidered of making this video in a later time. And today I'm actually gonna make you all understand what this channel is meant for. So first of all, let me tell you, this channel is not a teaching channel, alright? And this is basically a how-to channel. I will portray my designs and show you how you can design your website like this too. So this is basically a how-to channel, alright? And I'm going to give you some tools on how you can modify your codes, how you can design your website, and how you can run it, all those things, alright? I'm not going to teach you step by step how to do HTML, how to do CSS and other things. But if you really want to learn all that, make sure to like this video, because this video is going to be your beginner's guide to web development, to mastering the web development. So this video is going to be a beginner's guide, and I'm going to give you some of the few tips how you can start, where you can start, and what are the pathways you should follow to learn web development. Alright, so what are we waiting for? Let's begin our video.
This is a PPT designed for me only to make you understand mastering front-end development. DV stands for development. Starting from our agendas, we're gonna discuss about the introduction part. Alright, I'm gonna explain the basics about the web development, and then we're gonna talk about key components of web development and following language required for the web development and how to start. Basically, the how to start is going to be a roadmap for you, and where to learn is kind of a bonus, as I'm gonna give many links to websites through which you can learn. Then heading on to our next page, the first page towards our introduction. What is web development? Now, when you open a website, what you first see on clicking our first link is known as a website, is a web page. Web development refers to the process of building and maintaining websites or web applications that run over the internet. It involves a variety of tasks, including web designs, content creation, client-side scripting, server-side scripting, network security configuration, and then, most importantly, why is web development important? What I think is most of the work on the internet is done by the help of web development. So yeah, it is definitely most important aspect of most important for everyone. Now you may read this all later on. I'm gonna give the slides and a slide as PDF. You can easily access it in my GD file. All right. Then we're gonna see the key components of the web development. Here, first of all, we have the front end development. This is basically the front page or service page, or you may also say about page. This involves everything that a user sees and interacts with on a website. And then we have the backend development. This is basically the server side of the website. It involves working with databases, server configurations, handling user authentication, server-side scripting, and etc. Then, after learning front-end development and back-end development, when you are proficient in both of them, you will be called a full-stack developer. Then, web development frameworks and tools. These are the various frameworks and tools available to streamline web development. Now, these were some of the major components of the web development. Yeah, minor components of the web development. They are also important, but not as important as those components. Then let's head on to the next topic, how to start learning. This is particularly a roadmap. It is not briefly explained, but yeah, this is how all over you can begin with. All right. First of all, starting with front-end languages. HTML, hypertext markup language, the backbone of any web page. HTML provides the structure and content of the site, defining elements like heading, paragraph, images, titles, etc. CSS, cascading style sheets. CSS complements the HTML by controlling the presentation and layout of the web page. It defines styles such as color, font, spacing, and positioning to make the content visually appealing. then majorly used JavaScript. Now, imagine HTML is the skeletal body of a human, CSS is the flesh, and JavaScript is the nervous system. So basically, most of the things like animation and other things are done by JavaScript. Then we have here is backend development. These are some of the major languages that are used in backend development, and you need to learn it. Learn it anyhow. JavaScript, Node.js, it is popular for full stack development where the same language JavaScript can be both used in front end and back end. Alright, then we have here is next language Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is used in frameworks like the Django or Flask for backend development. Then we have majorly used is Java and C++. These are the languages that are used in frameworks like Spring or ASP.NET for enterprise level web pages. Then finally, here we go. We have the bonus page, where to learn. These are some of the lists. You may screenshot them and search it, or you may find their links down in the description. You can easily access it. For example, we have here free learning, codex.io, WebMTN, Khan Academy, etc. Then here we have free plus certification, free code camp, and solo learn. And then we have the paid certifications. And as you can see, these were the list. All right. You can either search it up on Google, or you may find all of their links down in the description. Yeah.
So yeah guys, this is all I had to show you today, and remember one thing, this is not the complete guide, alright? This is just a summarized edition of the complete guide. It is full stack development is really huge, really far huge than you think, alright? And this is just summarized so that you can understand in beginning of a topic. I mean, if you are just starting towards a coding career, so you can see this video and you can understand what are the basic things you need to know, alright? If you need the full guidance, you can follow this guy right here. I'm gonna give his website's link below in my description. Check it out. I'm learning from him, and you can also learn from him, alright? And let's learn together. And this was all for today guys. I hope you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Comment down what topics I should cover up next in my upcoming videos. So alright, yeah, that is it for today. Meet you in the next video.